Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In the last video, we have discussed about the reset the password. Now we are going to update the user details. Because how I can update my user details when we have the access token. So on the behalf of it, we are going to update my details. So API v1 update details. Let's go to the postman and let's have a look of that one. So let's copy this and let's go with this one. Okay, so here we go with our code base. So where we have this one routes section. So here we have a API v1 update details that could be a put request. Let's have a look. So where we have the postman. So let's add this. Let's look for the routes. We have a put request, update details, put request, right? So make a put request and what details we want to update. Let's go to the raw JSON. Let's add it. Okay, so update details would be protected. That means we have to pass the authorization. So here we go with the authorization. Okay, so authorization, and we require over here the bearer and the token. What we have done in the token. Okay, we have logged in, right? The last one. So this is we have logged in. Let's try to use this token. Let's make a put request bearer token. This is done. Okay, update details. So name and the email. So I'm going to update the name only. Okay, let's go with the body. I require with the name test user. Okay, so request dot user by find by id or update fields to update name or email you have to update. Okay, so and this is for the MongoDB query to update one and run the validators are the same, and if it is everything is okay, then return the data with user and the success true. That's it. Okay, let's try to update this and let's try to send it. Please add your email. Okay, I need to add the email also. Okay, let's add it. Email, I need to send it like what's the email? Let me check. Over here we have this email, right? So let's add this and let's send it, and we have the information of that user. Let's dive into the database and check the user record. So the test user is updated, right? Okay, so this is how we are able to update the user information. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.